Hey guys, I hope this video finds you safe and well. All right, I haven't had sushi for a really long time and I really miss it. It's been months. So I'm gonna make some of my garlic broccoli for dinner, which I've showed you guys in a video. I'm gonna make this really great marinated salmon, which I'll show you guys in a separate video. And in this one, we are going to make some vegetable sushi, which I've never done before. We're gonna do this together for the first time. Let's do it. Here we go. So this is just a little mixture of rice vinegar, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of salt, and then we're gonna mix this into the rice, the sushi rice that I already have cooked. I don't even have one of those little bamboo roller things, so I'm using a little bit of cling wrap here. Gotta make sure it's not wet at all because that's not good with seaweed. All right, so here we go. Let's try this. Sheet of seaweed. We're going to fill it with rice and leave about an inch there so we can seal it. Oh my gosh, never done this before. Okay, so I put that sugar concoction I just made, I already mixed it into the rice. The other thing I forgot to do, which is ridiculous, is you're supposed to have a little bowl of water next to you, which I didn't do, so hang on a second, because it helps your fingers not stick. Wet the fingies. Let's see what happens here. I need to order one of those bamboo things. I don't have one. My mom, oh my gosh, she was like, when she was on her crazy sushi kick, I was 9 years old, so I missed that one, unfortunately, because I could have gotten so many amazing tips from her. Okay, we're gonna see what happens now. We're gonna line it with cucumber, carrot. I'm gonna put some shiitake mushrooms on it. These shiitake mushrooms are really beautiful and sweet and salty the way that I cooked them, so they're gonna be a nice pop in there. Avocado. I also showed you guys that in another video as well, and then to get the pit out, you just turn it like that. And use a paper towel to grip it and pull it off. Okay, so for this, I cup it in my hand, but it's obviously safer at home to lay it down on a table. But for speed purposes, I'm gonna do this. Do not do this at home. And then I'm gonna get a spoon. We're gonna get this avocado out and lay it in. Whoa, this looks really cool. I so hope this turns out. I've never done this before. So normally you want that kind of bamboo thing, which I don't have. So what I'm gonna do is use this to fold it like that. Okay, got that. Because a lot of bakers use the kind of cling wrap when they're making any kind of like rolled doughs or kind of things like that. So that's why I just used the cling wrap. Seems to be working pretty well. Okay, don't make it weird. That's pretty cool. All right, let's see. Let me keep it together. Whoa, we did it. Look at this. We did it. So obviously we're really delicate. Where's the bottom seam? It's right there and it's totally sealed. Okay, we're gonna cut it in half. You guys, this is so exciting. I haven't had sushi in like 8 months. No, longer, because I couldn't have it because I was pregnant. Okay, ready? Oh man, I need a better knife. Okay. Whoa, look at that. You guys, this is awesome. Look. Okay, I'm gonna cut it in slices. Whoa. Get ready for sushi videos because this is so cool. Maybe my new obsession. Whoa. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Yay. I'm very proud. I'm very proud. Dinner is served. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up another one. And I'll see you guys next time.